Hi there, welcome to Innovative Stack. Today we will be exploring Relume AI, a game changer for web designers and developers. Relume AI is an AI-powered design tool that helps you generate wireframes, sitemaps, and component libraries for websites in seconds. It's perfect for web developers, UI/UX designers, and agencies who want to speed up their workflow. You can simply give it prompt. Here I'll tell it to create a website for a fast food restaurant and then click on the Generate option. And in few minutes, this AI created me the sitemap for it. This is just great. If you need, you can also add more section for it, like a separate page for services or a blog, but we'll be going with just a simple landing page. Here you can also edit the prompt. Can also extend the content as per your need too. You can have a look to the sitemap. This AI also provides an option of wireframe. You can simply click on this option and view the wireframe of it, and this is just perfect. You can edit this too as per your need. Here, you can see the option for export. This AI allows us to export the design to Figma. Click on the option Open in Figma, and this will redirect you to Figma. Click here. This is a demo Relume Figma kit that we have got. Now we have to import our design here. Click on this icon, navigate to Plugins, then click on Relume option. Select your project. Here you can select sitemap option or the wireframe option. We are going for wireframe option. And here we go. This AI created a UI for a website with the content with just one single prompt. That's great. You can further modify this according to your needs, add relevant images. If you liked the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to Innovative Stack.